Hi again. Now it is the time to jump to the chest, and I want to take the same material that I added here and paste it on the chest. So how can I do that? I made some changes with the names here, and this is the material of the head. I'm going to select it and hit right click and hit copy. After that, when you copy this, switch to the chest. Either you press the chest from here from the texture set, or you can hit Ctrl Alt and right click to jump to the chest. Alright, now we are in the chest. After that, grab this layer, you don't need it, just delete it and right click, paste layers. Let's give this a time. There we go, now it's ready. Let's take a look and let's see what we got here so far. Well, it looks nice and beautiful here. We got nice results. All right, cool. Well, now let's jump to the folder. And as you see, by the way, the layer or this folder or the material doesn't apply on this piece or the buttons because we have the color selector of the mask here, this one right here, because it picks the green automatically as you see here. Anyway, if you want to do some tweaking here, paint some area that's cool, that will work, or if you want to ignore it and leave it just like that, it looks fine for me. I think it is nice. Maybe I can paint some area right here. For example, if I go to maybe this layer right here, I think I have a pane. I have a pane layer. Maybe let's see, where is it? Yeah, this one right here. Just go to the shelf and change the brush to suitable brush, and let's see, where could we find this brush. Maybe let's see which one. No, this is not gonna work. Let's search more. Maybe this one, or this one, dirt. Alright, let's make the brush smaller. Just hit Ctrl and hold right click and move the mouse to the left, and now start painting to paint some area right here if you want. Maybe some area here. That's cool. Let's rotate the environment. Just hold shift and right click and move the mouse to rotate the lighting of the environment to see better. And there we go. Cool. Alright, let's see what else we can do here. Maybe we can paint some area right here. For example, this one. What about this area right here? Let's paint a bit here. Alright. Cool. Nice. Alright, now what else we need here? I need to give this a special material for this one, this piece, and this piece. So let's see how can we do that. I will jump here to the first layer inside this folder, and let's go to the material and let's So let's give this piece a specific material. Alright, now I'm inside this folder. What I will do is, let's pick one of this material and let's see which one we could choose. Maybe this iron pure. Let's try this. Just put your mouse above it and let's wait a bit. Yeah, now it's saving. Let's maybe try this, or let's see. Yeah, I'm going to grab this and put it right here above this. So as you see now, this layer affected everything. What I need is, I just need to add a mask here, black mask, and I need to target this piece alone. So what I can do is go to this option right here, is called polygon fill, and I just need to pick these polygons. So let's switch to this option and let's pick this object to apply material on this piece, and this one as well, and there we go. Cool. So now after that, let's go back to the brush, and now we just applied this one, the iron pure, on this piece alone. But as you see here, we have some problem with the height information that comes from other layers. What I want to do is, I want to delete this height information. So let's see from where this comes. Let's maybe turn off this, or maybe turn off this piece. Yeah, it comes from here. Alright, let's jump to paint and let's paint this area to delete these height information, because I don't want them. Let's delete this one right here, and let's delete just like that. Alright, tumble around and delete everything here. So now we got nice result here. Let's delete those from here and here as well, and there we go. Cool. Alright, now we got this result, but this is not realistic, because this metal is very clean and I need to make it a bit dirty. So I need to add another layer above this, just targeting this piece alone. So let's call this antenna. Double click to change the name, and let's call this antenna. And let's add another fill layer here above this one, and I need to copy the mask. Let's see how can we copy the mask. Copy mask, and I'm going to add the mask right here. Just right click. Here we should have an option, paste the mask. Let's see, where is it? Let's do that again. Copy mask and jump to this layer, and let's add the black mask and right click. Here I should have an option, paste into mask. Yeah, there we go. That's cool. So now I just added a fill layer targeting just this antenna. So I'm going to call this antenna dirt, maybe. And what I need to do is jump to the layer and turn off the metal and and the height, and take the roughness to the 1 to make it so rough, and maybe change the color to something clear to the dust, maybe like this. Yeah, maybe that will work. And now what I can do is, let's try to manipulate the color maybe again. Let's grab one of these grunge texture and add it in the roughness, maybe this one. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, Let's add this in the roughness to break the roughness a bit. Yeah, so now we have something right here. Alright, now I need to control the roughness, so let's add level and let's change this to roughness just to control the roughness as we want. Just like that, maybe. Cool. That's nice. Alright, so now we got some nice result here. We can accept this. Alright, so now what else we can do? What I need is, I need to close this folder and I need to jump back to the head to copy the plastic material. So control alt, right click here to the head to jump to the head, and let's see which layer I need to copy. This one, the plastic, right click, copy layer, and let's go back to the chest, control alt right click to jump to the chest, and above that let's add this a new plastic material, paste layers, control V, and there we go. Now we have the plastic. Let's take it above everything and close this. So now we have a plastic. Cool. Let's jump to the mask and let's use the color selector to select, and as you see the mask automatically chose the buttons, so you don't need to pick the color because the color is already exist here. So that's cool. Cool. Alright, now after that let's go back again to the head, alt click on the head, and let's copy the light robot, this layer right here. So hit copy layer and let's go back to the chest and let's hit, sorry, let's select this one, control V to add this layer above it. That's cool. Let's open this folder and let's see what we can do here. Alright, now we added the emission layer for the head, but here for the chest we didn't do that. So what we can do is we can go back to this layer right here and go to texture set and choose the chest and open this option right here, texture set setting, and add the emission layer or material. Let's select it, and there we go. Now as you see, now we have some information here. Now you can use the brush, you can jump to this mask and use the paint and grab one of these brushes that comes default with substance painter. Here you can grab whatever one you want and make this smaller and try to paint this area. Hit X to flip the color and start painting some area right here to create this effect. Make the brush more small, and let's do that just like that. Alright, so I think you got the idea. Yeah, just like that. Now we got something interesting right here. Alright, so what else we can do here? So that's it for the chest. I think that will work. Everything looks nice and beautiful here. Alright, so I'm going to end this tutorial and I will see you in the next one.